Innovating clean and reliable energy is creating the future of boating right before our eyes. At the forefront of this technology is the Navy series. This is the most accessible and streamlined system for aluminum fishing boats, dinghies, daysailers, and cruising sailboats. The Navy series is offered in a 3 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt system and boasts up to a 72-mile range. Easy to operate, the Navy series provides a quiet, clean, and comfortable ride. The motor is virtually silent, meaning you can enjoy the sounds of nature to their fullest extent while out cruising. The electric outboard keeps you stealthy on the water. This means fewer moments disturbing nature and more time spent catching fish. Featuring hydro generation makes these systems the leading hydroelectric outboard motor on the market. It is a remarkable green innovation that has changed the standard in the cruising community. Built of fewer moving parts than a traditional outboard motor, the Navy series uses a brushless motor, which means high reliability and a virtually maintenance-free experience. Crafted out of aerospace aluminum alloy, the Navy series was engineered with reliability being the top priority. Providing you confidence on the water, the Navy series delivers real-time data from the built-in display screen. With quick access to battery voltage, power, and remaining runtime, you will stay prepared for every outing. Safety wristbands provide an added level of safety, utilizing man-overboard protection through a wireless connection. The Navy series is powered from a choice of E-series battery, meaning you can get a system that fits your exact needs. These high-performance batteries, including the E60 and E163, are lightweight, long-lasting, reliable, and IP67 waterproof. They deliver users with an easy installation on a variety of vessels. The Navy series can also be steered from a multitude of control units, making our system ready to fit many vessels. The Navy series is at the pinnacle of providing the community with a more sustainable way to enjoy the water.